Okay, so now I cut my bologna sandwich and stuff. So this is how it look when I cut it. So let me show you guys the inside of it. Ooh, look at that cheese. Oh my goodness. I don't have my stand, you guys. Okay, wow. Now look at that. Old school sandwich back when I grew up. Look at that cheese. Oh my goodness. And the bread is toasted really, really good. But anyway, I just want to show you guys that. Okay. How I look inside with the cheese all gooey, gooey, gooey. Okay, you guys, just went on ahead and stacked it up because I want to take a picture of it. Wow, it's a bologna sandwich with pepper jack cheese. And my toast is toasted. Wow. And on the side, when I haven't drank my coffee yet, you guys. But look at this. Look at my dessert. My dessert. Show you guys. Sorry about that. Look at that. Look at all the pecan. Oh my goodness. That's the cinnamon roll with pecan on top with the glaze. Yes. Wow. That's what I'm gonna drink with my coffee. Okay. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. Channel was cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Thumb this video up. And also, again, share with your friends and family. And especially if this is your first time running across my cooking channel, share it with your friends and family as well. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. All righty, you guys. You guys could get that first bite. Wow, that's bologna. Don't look like it, but it is. And I will take my bite. Show y'all the sandwich. Y'all, you hear that crunch? Oh my goodness. Hear it? Oh wow. All right, let me get out of here because I'm going to enjoy my old-fashioned back home when I was growing up in East Texas. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Okay, you guys get that one last bite. All right, bye-bye.
Everybody should know that's how love goes. It's good for the soul. Oh, I got a long way to go, but it won't stop the pain. No, that's the kind of thing that keeps me coming back again and again. Till I see your face, I won't be satisfied.
Guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Oh wow, man, this is what I grew up on in East Texas, and this is what I'm having for breakfast. Wowza. And usually we just only add mustard and bologna as Usually we don't toast the bread, but I went ahead and toast my bread. This is the kind of cheese I'm using. We usually don't use cheese, but sometimes people do use American cheese, but I want to use this cheese. But this is my morning breakfast. It's going to be a different short video. You see how the bologna is melted. Wow, sorry about that. Yeah, but just toast your bread and just fry your bologna. Maybe about 30 seconds on each side. And that is it. And this is my morning breakfast. Yeah, this is back old school sandwich. Okay, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this, okay? So I'll see you guys. Show you guys how the inside look. Okay.